Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Merging a separate email into an existing Outlook conversation keeps your inbox organized and ensures all relevant information stays in one place. Outlook does not have a single button to merge independent emails, so you must use a manual workaround to achieve this result. First, open the email you want to move into the thread. Highlight the entire body of the message and copy it to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the existing thread where you want this information to live. Open the most recent message in that conversation and click the reply button. Paste the copied text directly into the new message body. You can add a small note explaining that you are bringing this external information into the main discussion. This method keeps the text searchable within the original thread. Another effective option is attaching the email as a separate file. Open the target thread and start a reply. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and select the Attach Item option. Choose the Outlook item you wish to include. This places the entire email into the thread as a clickable attachment for other recipients to view. If you want to maintain the original formatting perfectly, this is your best choice. Make sure your conversation view is turned on by clicking the View tab and checking the box for Show as Conversations. This groups all related messages together automatically based on the subject line. These simple steps ensure your important data never gets lost in a cluttered inbox. By following these instructions, you can effectively manage complex projects and keep your workspace clean.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.